Have you ever stared at a mystery stain on your favorite shirt, heart-sinking as you realize your usual stain-busting routine just isn't cutting it? Or maybe you've encountered a perplexing laundry dilemma. Is this new washing machine setting friend or foe? Fear not, fellow laundry warriors, because when it comes to all things clean, Tide is there to lend a helping hand. But what if you need a little more than just the cleaning power in that familiar orange bottle? What if you have a question that their website's FAQ section just can't answer? Worry not, because contacting Tide's customer service is easier than tackling a basket overflowing with dirty laundry. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of reaching out, let's take a quick detour and acknowledge the elephant in the room. We all know that feeling of dread associated with calling customer service. The endless hold music, the automated menus that never seem to understand what you're saying, the fear of getting bounced around from agent to agent. It's enough to make anyone want to just throw the whole laundry basket out the window. Thankfully, with Tide, there are multiple ways to get the support you need, and avoiding the phone labyrinth is entirely possible. So, ditch the pre-call anxiety and let's explore the convenient world of Tide's customer service options. For those who thrive on instant gratification, Tide's got your back. Their mobile app boasts a built-in messenger service that puts you in direct contact with their friendly customer support team. Simply log into your app, tap the support tab, and then messages to start a new chat. Whether you have a stain identification crisis or a burning question about their latest detergent innovation, this is a fantastic option for quick and personalized assistance. But maybe you're not a smartphone app kind of person, or perhaps your laundry woes are keeping you glued to your computer. No problem. Tide also offers email support. Just head over to their website and navigate to the Contact Us section. Here, you'll find a handy email address, hello@tide.co, where you can send your message directly to their team. Be sure to include a clear and concise description of your inquiry, and for an even speedier response, consider mentioning the specific Tide product you're using or the nature of your laundry concern. Now, for those who prefer the human touch, and hey, no judgment, Tide does offer phone support as well. However, it's important to note that this option might involve a bit more traditional customer service navigation. If this is your preferred route, it's best to check Tide's website for any updated phone number information, as this can sometimes change. Here's a bonus tip. If you do end up needing to call Tide's customer service line, consider reaching out during off-peak hours to potentially avoid longer wait times. Early mornings or evenings might be your best bet for a swifter connection. So there you have it. From the convenience of the mobile app to the tried-and-true methods of email and phone support, Tide offers a range of options to ensure you get the assistance you need to conquer your laundry battles. Remember, a clean laundry win is just a message, email, or phone call away. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it clean.